The ongoing debate about homelessness in Maine's largest city taking center stage again tonight. As the number of encampments in Portland continues to grow, leaders are trying to figure out how to handle them. Hey there, everybody. Thanks for being with us. Tonight, city leaders held an emergency meeting. The focus, how to clear homeless encampments like the one along Bayside Trail behind Trader Joe's. Plans to remove it were put on hold late last week, but the city says the encampment needs to come down because of health and safety concerns. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell joins us live outside of City Hall tonight with more. Alex.
Hey, Zach. Well, during this emergency meeting, Portland's Director of Health and Human Services provided recommendations on how these encampments and those who live inside them can be taken care of. This all as the city's shelters remain at capacity.
We have community members who are in crisis and living outside and are unsheltered.
City leaders coming together Tuesday night to address the growing number of homeless encampments in Portland.
We need a people and housing first approach to this.
Kristen Dow is the city's Director of Health and Human Services. Her solution for these encampments?
To develop an encampment task force.
Dow says the task force would convene when a site is being considered for removal. It would also deploy a mobile engagement center
And provide intensive outreach to each person in the identified encampment in order to link them to the appropriate either shelter or housing or the services that best meet their individual needs.
Many city leaders agree this is the right solution long term, but doesn't address the immediate issue, this encampment in the city's Bayside neighborhood.
We should move that encampment and then move forward with Director Dow's proposal.
Officials say of the more than 110 tents set up across the city, more than 50 are on the Bayside Trail, and emergency calls to the area increasing more than 70% in the last year, creating what they say is a dangerous situation for people living here and the community as a whole.
It is not safe to go there. My own staff have had accidental needle sticks, asthma attacks, workers' comp cases, guns pulled on them. I had to have them go through self-defense training.
Now, at the end of the meeting, city leaders decided to continue to hold off of clearing out the Bayside Trail encampment and from forming the task force until they could get more input. The next Health and Human Services meeting is set for early next week. Zach.
Alex Haskell live in Portland tonight. Thank you.